Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking about 3 easy ways to increase your credit score fast. So let's get to it. Step number 1 is know your credit score. A lot of people have no idea what the credit scores are, and that can be a dangerous thing. So I advise you to check your credit for accuracy. Companies do make mistakes. A 2012 Federal Trade Commission report discovered that 1 in 4 Americans found at least one error on their credit report. That's 25%. So if that error is causing your credit score to decrease, that can mean the difference between you getting approved for that cash rewards credit card, that new car that you need, or even the home of your dreams. I recommend Credit Karma to keep track of it. It's an easy app that you can download on your phone. You can even check it online. And although it's not always 100% accurate, it does give you a roundabout of where your credit score is. Step number 2, take advantage of payment plans. This particular step is specifically for people who have collections on their credit report. If you have a large balance owed that you know is tough to pay in full, reach out to that company, whether it be a bank, a telephone provider, a medical provider. Ask them to remove the collection from your credit report if you agree to pay monthly installments. Also, keep in mind that collection items stay on your report for 7 years after being reported. So, make it a priority to take care of those newer, fresher accounts first. Over time, the older the collection gets, the less of an impact it'll have on your credit score. Step number 3 is the Authorized user method. The Authorized user method consists of one person who's trying to increase their credit being added as an authorized user onto a person who already has great credit. Being added to somebody's account as an authorized user allows you to adapt that entire history for that particular account. I know what you're thinking. If I have great credit and I add somebody to my credit card that has terrible credit, won't that lower my score? It does not. It's kind of like a one-way street. You give them good credit and, well, they don't really give you anything. You can add someone as an authorized user, usually by calling that department and just doing it right over the phone. Authorized users can be removed at any time. Listen, listen, listen. Do not get authorized users mixed up with co-signers. They are not the same thing. Co-signers are joint owners on whatever credit line you have, and they cannot be removed at any time. The credit card or line of credit has to be closed and paid off in full in order for that account to just be done with. When adding someone as an authorized user onto your account, be sure that that particular credit line is reporting to all major credit bureaus. If it is not reporting to credit bureaus or they have the information for the other person incorrect, it's not going to help increase their credit score at all. Also, make sure the account has been open for a while with a good history. Adding a new account will only give you a few months of credit history, whereas credit lenders want to see you in it for the long haul. Lastly, the larger the credit limit, the better. $5,000 is a decent number, but be sure to keep the balance low, under 30%. And keep in mind that any previous negative history associated with that account will affect both the primary user and the authorized user. So those are my 3 easy steps. Let me know if you learned something new today in the comment section below, or if you have any other questions. I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you again for watching this video, and see you later. Bye.